Hey guys, Smart Gateway Team Productions here again. Yup. Today is another Require Weekly test, but I'm showing on the Simplex Driller, just why not? But I got a little update to my channel of YouTubers. You remember I got 100 subscribers special, but it's not even this. Look at this. That's right. 200 subscribers! Yep. I finally made it to 200 subscribers. This is actually dedicated on the EAS alert fans. So, this is actually a 200 subscriber special on the EAS alerts because today is the required weekly test. So, yeah, I'm really happy. I got 200 subscribers on my channel. So, yeah. Anyways, let's jump into the Require Weekly test. So, that was my little vlog. Let's jump right into the Require Weekly test.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has just activated the emergency alert system as a test. The warning alarms on weather radio stations WXM 52, WWG 44, WNG 579, KJY 81, WWG 23, WXM 54, WXM 56, KWN 60, and WNG 664 have also been activated as a test. During potentially hazardous weather situations, broadcasters and officials participating in the emergency alert system and those with specially built weather radio receivers are automatically notified of the hazard by the preceding digital code and warning alarm. Tests with the digital code and warning alarm are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 and noon. If hazardous weather threatens near the normal test time, the test is postponed to the first good weather day. The digital code and warning alarm will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting South Central and Southeast Colorado. For more information on the coverage areas of our 9 transmitters, go